Tired of your portable AC struggling to keep up in the summer heat? Discover the top 5 dual-hose portable air conditioners with remote control that deliver powerful cooling performance. Stay tuned as we explore these efficient units, and remember to check the links in the description to find the perfect fit for your needs. The number 5 product on our list is VAGKRI 14,000 BTU. Did you know that dual-hose portable ACs can cool rooms up to 29% more efficiently than single-hose models? Enter the VAGKRI 14,000 BTU dual-hose portable air conditioner, a top contender in our lineup of the best dual-hose portable ACs with remote control. Designed to cool spaces up to 700 square feet, this unit boasts a 3-in-1 functionality: air conditioner, dehumidifier, and fan. Its smart and sleep modes adjust settings based on room temperature, ensuring energy savings without compromising comfort. The auto swing function and 3 fan speeds provide personalized cooling, while the LED panel and remote control offer user-friendly operation. Priced at $429.99, it's a worthy investment for those seeking efficient cooling solutions. However, some users have noted that the unit can be a bit noisy during operation. If you're looking for a powerful, versatile, and energy-efficient portable AC, the VAGKRI 14,000 BTU model is a smart choice. Number 4 is CENSTECH Dual Tank. Did you know that in dry climates, evaporative coolers can reduce ambient temperatures by up to 49 dEF? Enter the CENSTECH Dual Tank Evaporative Air Cooler, a standout in our top 5 best dual-hose portable ACs with remote control. Priced at $129.99, this 4-in-1 unit functions as an air cooler, humidifier, and fan, making it ideal for arid regions like the southwestern U.S. Its dual 1-gallon water tanks ensure up to 8 hours of uninterrupted cooling, while 6 included ice packs enhance performance. With 3 fan speeds and modes, a 12-hour timer, and ultra-quiet operation at 40 dB, it offers customizable comfort. The 70 dG oscillation covers up to 300 square feet, and the remote control allows adjustments from up to 26 footway. While it excels in dry climates, its effectiveness diminishes in humid conditions. If you're seeking an energy-efficient, portable cooling solution without the need for window installation, the CENSTECH Dual Tank is a smart choice. The third one on our list is BLACK+DECKER 8,000 BTU. Did you know that the BLACK+DECKER 8,000 BTU portable air conditioner can cool rooms up to 350 square feet, while also functioning as a dehumidifier and fan? This 3-in-1 unit is a standout in our top 5 best dual-hose portable ACs with remote control. Priced at $299.99, it offers a compact design with easy mobility thanks to its casters and side handles. The top-mount LED control panel and included remote make adjustments effortless. Its auto water evaporation system and slide-out washable filter simplify maintenance. While it lacks smart connectivity, its energy efficiency and quiet operation at 53 dB make it ideal for bedrooms and small offices. Compared to other models, it offers a more budget-friendly option without compromising on essential features. If you're seeking a reliable, portable cooling solution, the BLACK+DECKER 8,000 BTU unit is a smart choice. On number 2 is Whynter ARC-14S. Did you know that many portable ACs rated at 14,000 BTU actually deliver far less cooling power in real-world conditions? Enter the Whynter ARC-14S, a dual-hose portable air conditioner that stands out by effectively cooling spaces up to 500 square feet. Its dual-hose design enhances efficiency by eliminating negative air pressure, allowing for faster and more effective cooling. Operating at a quiet 51 dBA, it's ideal for bedrooms and living areas. The unit also functions as a dehumidifier, removing up to 71 pints of moisture per day, and features an auto-drain system for convenience. While it's bulkier than some competitors and lacks smart features, its performance and eco-friendly R32 refrigerant make it a top choice. If you're seeking a reliable, efficient cooling solution for larger spaces, the Whynter ARC-14S is a worthy investment. Now moving to the last one is Dreo 12,000 BTU. What if I told you that a portable AC could be both powerful and whisper quiet? The Dreo 12,000 BTU AC515S isn't just another cooling unit, it's a game changer. Delivering robust cooling for rooms up to 350 square feet. It operates at a mere 46 dB, ensuring your peace isn't disturbed. Its 3-in-1 functionality, cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes, offers versatility for varying needs. Smart integrations with Alexa and Google Assistant, along with app control, put customization at your fingertips. Compared to other top dual-hose portable ACs with remote control, the Dreo stands out with its drainage-free design and user-friendly installation. However, it's worth noting that while it excels in many areas, some users have reported challenges with its window kit fitting certain window types. In summary, if you're seeking a blend of power, quiet operation, and smart features, the Dreo AC515S is a worthy contender. But if your windows are uniquely sized, you might want to double-check compatibility. In the battle of portable ACs, the Dreo 12,000 BECU emerges as the champion. Its powerful cooling, smart features, and ultra-quiet operation make it ideal for modern living. While the Whynter ARC-14S offers strong performance, its bulkiness and higher noise level are drawbacks. The BLACK+DECKER 8,000 BECU is compact but less powerful. The VAGKRI 14,000 BEU has mixed reviews on noise and portability. The CENSTECH Dual Tank struggles with cooling efficiency. For those seeking effective, quiet, and smart cooling, the Dreo 12,000 BTU is the clear winner. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best dual-hose portable AC with remote control. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.